Hello, welcome to another unboxing video. Let's get this open and see what's in here. If you see anything you like, let us know and we'll put a hold on it for you. It just might take us a little bit to get it ready. All right, let's see what we've got. We've got Maybe a Mermaid for our probably middle grade readers. Everything is Beautiful and I'm Not Afraid. I believe that's a graphic novel. I'm not sure, The Daughter of East. Lots of kid books. We got more Lumberjanes. We got quite a few in lately, so we're gonna have that. Oh, Adventure Time. It's got Turo: The Last Trial. Camp Jupiter Classified. Oh, it's a Rick Riordan add-on. Baloney and Friends. J.R. Ward's latest, The Jackal. You Can't Touch Me. Fox and Rabbit has the latest one. Iggy Peck and the Mysterious Mansion, an easy reader. And we have some anime looking graphic novels. So You Want to Talk About Race, which was on the Overdrive Black Lives Matters. Once Upon an Eid. We got a movie. Aga, I guess. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. The latest Zozo Zombie. And the latest Miss Marvel. Lots of graphic novels. Alien Nate. Oh, James Patterson's. Always a fun read. The Book of Forks, another adult graphic novel. Glass Town. Oh, looks like we've got a cookbook coming in. Oh, it's the Making It Guide to Crafting. Nick Offerman. Looks like a Parks and Rec's crafting book. That's pretty cool. Story Thieves, the latest one. We've got Grace Burrows, a historical romance. It looks like we got some picture books. The Magical Yet, looks pretty. The Three Little Yogis. And lastly, we've got Bear. He's a unique dog. So lots of graphic novels in that one. Again, let us know if you like anything and we'll place a hold on.